So today's the day. Welcome to the Succulent Home. And I have said this, I don't know how many times, but a lot, that I was going to tackle my succulent workshop. It is a hot mess and I got lots of projects to do. And before I can get to all these projects, I need to clean up. I need to clean up in here so that way I can feel accomplished and I don't have to be distracted by all the stuff that I still have to do. So this is what I'm doing. A buffet table that I repurposed. It actually was a brown color, cherry brown. It's actually an antique, but I painted it with a chalk white paint and I distressed it with sandpaper. And yeah, but what I don't want to happen is me using it out here. It does have a seal on it, but I still don't want it to get damaged. So I'm cutting this like, it's what you would use for your shelves in your kitchen to like line them. So I had extra of this. I'm just cutting it to just be able to keep it in the middle so I could do potting right on top without causing too much damage to the top of this, because I'm probably going to want to take this with me wherever I go or just have it. My mom gave this to me, so to me it's kind of like an heirloom now, you know. So she don't worry, she knew that I repurposed it, so I actually got her permission, so it's okay. So let me show you the before and after. And here it is. It's not exactly how I would like it to be, but hey, it is finally feeling like it's put together. So here is my bench that I got last year, or I think last year for Christmas. This has like all my little things that I need, projects that are to be done. And over here, just trying to move a little bit slower for you guys. So over here is, you know, my little work table that you guys see me record off of for pretty much all of my videos, especially when I go to the front, I take all of this. And then right here, I've been doing some potting videos right here on top of that Lazy Susan. I'm so glad that I brought this repurposed buffet table out here, because now I have another section to record. I have soil and like miscellaneous stuff right here. It's in a wagon because it's easy to pull when I have to go to the other side of the yard. So work smarter, not harder, right? So from this view, that's right here in this section. And this is where like my propagation station is, miscellaneous pots if I need extra, just different things that I might need, have it all right there. Just trying to keep somewhat of like an organized, you know, space of like stuff, miscellaneous stuff. And here is some of my succulents that I'm trying to build back up the collection. So I'm excited. This one right here, I potted up for one of my co-workers at work. My friend, her name is Lisa. And when I see her, I gotta get back to her. And yes, this is just some decor for us, guys. The wind's picking up. It's getting so windy. And I'm hoping that none of this guys like my space that I created, because I love sharing it with you. Until the next video, guys, stay inspired and create a space of your own that inspires you to do what you love to do. God bless. Bye.